Nongma nongmagi masing hengalakliba drug addiction gi issue asi punna Thengnaminnaba Mathou tai haina Manipur gi governor Ajay Bhalla na phongdokrai. BJP na lusingduna pali balengak asina sangshiliba nasa vukta Bharat Abhiyan gi makhada Brahma Kumaris Manipur na sinduna pangthokpa addiction free Manipur gi campaign ngasi Imphal gi Raj Bhavan da pangthokhi. Thoram maduda Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch gi President Dr. R.K. Lenin, Rajasthan gi Mount Abu gi Medical Wing gi Secretary Dr. Banarsilal Saha Amadi Manipur Lengaki Social Welfare Department ki Director Saruk Yaki Thoram ga mari lenena Governor Ajay Bhalla na makha taraduna hai India pumbada Center Lengangna nasa mukta Bharat Abhiyan gi makhada mayai ka basinjak ta laisuraba sing bahuksa gi punsida hanjinna bahonari basida Brahma Kumaris Medical Wing na thodang sauna logduna lakli Governor na hai India si malem gi sakhotpagi phambakta mangjil thari balebak amani adubu state kharada naha oriba singi Missingda Mayai Kava, Sinzak season of Bagisang Wankalakli, Masigi Maruiba Maramdi, International Border Landuna, Nisagi Polam Sing Pusilak Pamadi, Dimangi Sang Wang Basina Oiri. Drug addiction issue Ministry of Social Justice and Environment Amadi State Langak Singa Punna Thengnaminnaba Honaba Mathou tai, Masigi Matakta, Mama Mapa Oiba Singasu, Social Stigma Dage, Lantoktuna, Nisada Laisura Busing, Mahosagi Punsida Hanzinaba, Honabana Kunagi. Listed as a Papa Makeda Purpada Sound of Togang Logo the Benihaki.
Manipur is concerned, we are a border state. All of you have understood, have seen in Punjab, it's another border state, how this drug smuggling and addiction is on the increase. And it is spoiling the generation which is now supposed to be productive generation. People have unemployment, people have lots of issues, but drug addiction is not the solution. So it's in a very simple manner it was explained what you get into a bad company and then you resist, but then you get addicted, and once you get addicted then you are gone. Parents also at times write off the children saying he has become bad, he's gone. So that part of parenting, part of the society, law and order machinery, government machinery, all need to be put together. On supply side, as our country is placed in such a geographical context that we have a large coastline, we get a lot of drugs coming in from those places. We have border which is porous at times because of different geography, and a lot of smuggling takes place. And the new things are that now it's not regular drugs like cannabis or anything. The chemical drugs are also making it in a big way, which are easy to use, easy to get addicted also. It's leading to a bigger problem, and de-addicting such people is not easy. It takes a lot of effort, and where all people in the society, we need to put it together. That if once addicted, then many de-addiction centers are being run. Treatment can be given. And as doctors have shown, it's not difficult to bring the system back. You need only willpower to do it, and then change your living habits. And gradually you can come out of it.